Number 3 on the handout from November 6th in class on the Chapter 8 material, we have, it says that the hot spots in a pan of food being reheated in a microwave oven, this is kind of a fun question, occurred at regular distances of about 6 centimeters. So let's estimate the joules per photon of the radiation, of the microwave radiation. So I'm going to estimate then that my wavelength is about 6 centimeters. So there's no real precision here. This is just single digit. Sipping my coffee, sorry. And I want to know the energy. And again, as we said, this equation, hc over lambda, or if you like, h mu, depending on what you're using or what you're given, frequency or wavelength, to work with, is always per photon. And if you ever need it per mole of photons, then you need to scale it up by using Avogadro's number. But this is joules per photon that I want. So I will calculate a number of joules, and I will just simply add to the answer per photon, because I know that that's the description. That's the context. So my energy is equal to Planck's constant, 6.626 times 10 to the minus 34 joule seconds, multiplied by the speed of light, 2.998 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, and that is all over my 6 centimeter wavelength, which of course needs to be in meters exactly, always. So that will go out, and meters will also cancel. Seconds will with seconds to the minus 1 effectively there, and I'll be left with joules. And again, I'm not looking to derive a unit joule per photon, because I know that the whole context is per photon. This seems to be what everybody forgets come time on the exam, and that's why I keep repeating it. And so the energy here, let's plug that into your calculator, and try and use the calculator that you have purchased as required for this course. There won't be any exceptions for the exam. You will need to have the standard issue calculator for the exam, and try and use it in your preparation for the exam so that you're used to how the numbers are entered for exponents or logs or square roots and all that sort of thing. The energy is 3. I'm going to keep it as just an estimate, 1 sig fig. It's 3 times 10 to the minus 24 joules, and again, this is, of course, per photon of this microwave radiation. And there you have it, a nice short question, number 3.